Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming that the display, cable, and GPU are talking to each other. Inspect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable for a secure fit, then open your OS display settings to see the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. If the OS shows a lower resolution, update your graphics drivers now so the system can access full modes. Once done, restart the display detection process and make sure the monitor model appears correctly. This prevents scaling and black bars later on. You'll now change the resolution and scaling so content fills the screen. In display settings, pick the monitor's native resolution and make sure scaling is set to 100% or the system recommended value. Next, open your GPU control panel to force scaling to the display rather than the GPU if needed. This eliminates cropped or letterboxed images. If you're using multiple displays, apply settings to the correct monitor. Finally, test full-screen video or a game to confirm the change. Watch edges for black bars or stretched pixels. You finish by aligning app and monitor settings to guarantee true full screen. Inside the application or game, select full-screen display mode and the correct aspect ratio. Windowed or borderless modes can mimic full screen but behave differently. If edges still crop or black bars remain, try a different cable or port and check for monitor firmware updates. If nothing works, reset display settings to defaults or roll back a recent driver update. These steps often restore correct resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.